Hello everyone, and welcome to another video, and welcome to another trip to downtown Bellevue. I know, I go there all the time. Here's why. Free parking. It's important. And also, it's a place I'm comfortable. I'm pretty familiar with the area. I know some good starting points, so that gives me freedom and creativity to go find new things. I'm more comfortable when I'm comfortable. Everybody's a little different on how that works. Welcome to a spring day. It's 60 plus degrees right now. It's on its way to 70 degrees today. So nice and sunny, feels good. I plan to do this. Here's in the midst of going to the place I go quite frequently in downtown Bellevue. I'm going to throw a couple constraints on my day to day, and here they are. The first one is I want to really work to include some more people in my photos. I'm going a little bit around lunchtime, so that might help get some more foot traffic and opportunities to create some photos with people. The second thing I want to do is kind of, well, not related to that, but it's related to the weather, and we've got good sun, so I'm hoping for some really good contrasty light with some shadows. So for the photos today, I am taking, in my camera gear, I'm taking the Fujifilm X-T3, the 16 to 80 f4, the 70 to 300 for details and long reach. And I'm also taking two primes, the Viltrox 23mm f1.4, the 50mm Fujinon f2. Today's driving music is brought to you by a band from Sweden called Nestor. They have been around for about 30 years. They've just released their second album in 2001. It's called Kids in the Ghost Town. Very much a throwback to 80s, 90s era rock. Not quite hair band stuff, but kind of close. I really like it. It's got a lot of good melodies, some good fun driving music. So that's what I'm going to listen to as I'm driving today. We'll see what we find for the photos. I look forward to exploring a place I've been before, and it probably looks different than last week when I was there because of all the changes. So I will speak to you again after you've had a chance to watch the photos. So until we meet again, bye for now. below again. Hope you enjoyed those photos and would love to see what you think. Share those comments in the comments below. A couple thoughts, but before the thoughts, first a reminder that all these photos will be available on Flickr if you want to take a look at those, plus some additional ones that didn't make the cut for the video. You can find them at a Flickr link, which is also in the notes and description below, so take a look at that. So some thoughts. It took a while, but I finally found some people. Both that's a little bit of practicality of the area, but there's not a lot of folks who walk in Bellevue. It's pretty much a car-centric city like a lot of West Coast US cities are. But around lunch there were more people out and I started noticing them more. And once you kind of get in the groove of noticing and predicting behaviors, makes it a little bit easier. Harder to video that, which is why there weren't video clips for that, which is, I'm okay with that, because everything's moving a lot quicker. And you want them to be natural, so you don't want to have camera necessarily up twice to record both a video and create the photo. So that's my thinking anyway. So that last photo was actually taken from my car. I was done and driving towards lunch, and I saw that lady with the hard hat and then underneath that a larger hat kind of for the rain that had been happening off and on throughout the day. And I thought she was just really interesting, so I just, took that photo through the windshield, cropped it to a vertical, threw a bunch of dehaze to get through the windshield haze, and I think it turned out pretty cool. It's kind of a neat little moment. Again, you got to be ready to create photos. You never know when they're going to happen. Another thought on creating the photos, as you'll notice, even though I took a whole bunch of lenses, I only used one. On this whole session, I only used the 16-80, the Fujinon XF 16-80 f4. It covered what I needed for the day. So I love having a versatile lens. I created a video a while back about that lens, and I'll leave a link to that up here if you want to watch that video, my thoughts. The more I use that lens, the more I like it. It's pretty versatile. It's a nice size, fast enough for daytime use as far as aperture size. So as I'm going forward with these videos of these photo walk, street photography kind of thing, I'm going to keep tweaking the format. I've got some ideas on things I want to try. If you have any suggestions, I've already received a couple, hey, go back at night kind of things, which is on my radar screen of things I want to do. It's a matter of fitting the schedule and when sunset happens and everything. So glad to do that. Thanks for those suggestions. If you have other thoughts, comments, opinions, feelings, songs I should listen to, please feel free to share those in the comments below. I really enjoy your having conversations with you all. I appreciate that. Also, while you're doing that, you might as well click that thumbs up button. That trains the YouTube algorithm about videos you find helpful, which is good for you. It's good for me, because hopefully that also tells YouTube, hey, this video might be interesting to other people who like similar stuff. So thank you for that as well. And while I'm thanking you, I'll also go ahead and thank you for subscribing to this channel, because you either are or are going to right now. So I appreciate that. I plan on creating some more videos like this going forward, and until either you or I get tired of doing it. But so far I'm having fun. I've got lots of different places to go coming up, and some thoughts as we get into spring weather and a little less rain gives me some more options. So I had fun with this video, especially towards the end as I started noticing people and getting in the groove of where to be, how to be, and collecting photos of them. So I look forward to continuing to work on that and tuning those skills. So I look forward to seeing you in the next video, and until we meet again, stay safe, stay well, and have fun creating photos. Bye for now.